Nicotine pouches are emerging as one of the biggest growth bets for the global tobacco industry as cigarette sales continue to decline. Brands such as ZYN, owned by Philip Morris International, and Velvo, owned by British American Tobacco, are driving the very expansion. BAT estimates the global nicotine pouch market could grow from around £4 billion in revenue in 2025 to £11 billion by 2030, with about 47 million users. In the first half of this year, BAT's pouch volumes across Asia, the West Asia and Africa rose by 27.5% to around 700 million pouches. The US and European markets remain much larger, with more than 3 billion pouches sold by BAT in those regions. The attraction for tobacco companies is not just rapid growth, but also higher profitability. Philip Morris says that its US pouch business generated 8 times the gross profit per 1,000 units compared with its international cigarette business in 2024. Pouches also produce neither smoke nor vapor, thereby allowing them to be used in places where smoking and vaping are restricted. But regulators are increasingly concerned about youth uptake, high nicotine strength and also marketing practices. The World Health Organization said that in May, 160 countries still had no specific regulations for nicotine pouches. France has banned them, while Finland, Britain and the European Union are moving towards tighter controls. The biggest challenge for the industry is taking nicotine policies, the pouches, beyond markets, where oral nicotine already has a strong tradition, particularly the United States, Sweden and even Norway. Analysts say that consumers in many of these markets may be more familiar with inhaled nicotine products, thereby making behavioral change difficult. Cigarettes also remain the industry's core profit driver. In India, nicotine pouches remain unapproved for sale, while the regulatory position is complicated by the country's existing restrictions on tobacco and nicotine products. For investors, the key question remains is whether pouches can become a global alternative to cigarettes or remain a fast-growing niche concentrated in a few markets.